Hi guys, Ben here at Cool Motorcycles. Just going to give you a quick video walk around of our CB750 Custom that we've got in at the moment. Really nice condition bike, so it's done 12,500 kilometers from new. Has been sort of sympathetically restored, I'd say, by the last owner, who's had it for quite a number of years. And just bikes and the weight getting a bit much for him, hence him moving them on. Really nice, clean bit of kit. It's just been away for a service with oil, fluids, filter, carbs cleaned out and set up. New valves as well in the wheels. But yeah, it's... Normally I go around and try and point out the bad bits, but really, considering the age, it is pretty exceptional. All the chrome work is absolutely fantastic. It's got braided lines on it. Yeah, I'll get it in here for a close-up. Sorry about the jerky camera work, but yeah, really nice and tidy. It's really well done. The stacks of old MOTs and what have you, that will be detailed in the advert. Now MOT exempt. Pipes are in perfect shape, not even any nicks on the edges. Again, all the chrome work, really nice. Just a bit of oil. It's not a mark. A recent chain sprocket. So there you have it. Yeah, really nice tidy example of the paintwork is spectacular. Runs and rides fine. Yeah, there's not a lot else to say about it. Yeah, any questions, feel free to give us a shout. I shall fire it up. So it's a bit cold, a bit of choke on. Needs to get a bit of heat in it really before it smooths out, but it's stone cold. Moving, get a bit of heat in it. Yeah, there you have it. Hopefully that gives you a good idea of what it's about. Yeah, any questions, give us a shout. Thanks for watching.